iCloud has limits: no preview, no selective restore, limited storage, security risks, and slow speed. This video covers 8 top iCloud alternatives for better data management. Part 1. Why do you want an iCloud alternative for iPhone? iCloud limits: only 5 GB free storage, slow, unclear backups, no preview or selective restore, security risks, limited file sharing. Better alternatives exist. Top 8 iCloud alternatives for backing up iOS devices. 1. Assistant for iOS. Smart people back up their files to avoid accidents. Besides iCloud and iTunes, there's a better option, iCloud Assistant for iOS. It backs up iOS files on your computer and lets you manage your iDevices easily. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Download and install the software. Connect your device to the PC with a USB cable and launch the program. The software will detect your device and display an interface with categories on the left and device details on the right. Step 2. Back up your iPhone data. Select the file type to transfer. Preview files with details on the right. Mark files to back up and click Export on the top. Use the search box to find specific files. Note: if you want to back up iPhone data with one click, please go to Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore Backup to back up your iPhone data to computer wholly. But please note this function doesn't allow you to back up iPhone music and videos. 2. Google Drive. With desirable features for data sharing and management, Google Drive is an all-around cloud storage for its users. Running on iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows devices, it can be used to share data like videos, music, photos, and Microsoft Office files, etc. 3. SugarSync. SugarSync can securely sync and copy data from one iDevice to another, helping you enjoy seamless data backup across iDevices with minimal effort. It helps process data like pictures, music, movies, and document files, etc. with TIFF, PG, BMP, AVI, WimberUM, MPEG, MP4, M4V, MOV, ASF. 4. Alternatives to iCloud. OneDrive. Integrated with Microsoft Office software, OneDrive is able to share almost all the multimedia files taken with your iOS devices. It allows you to select the specific files or folders to share with others or send them with links. 5. Cloud. Being able to share HD videos, high-resolution images, FLAC music files, and documents with no pesky file size restrictions. Cloud can be used on cross-platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, or iOS. 7. Dropbox. Dropbox, a handy tool, can help sync data like all document files and most photo and video data: JPG, PG, GIF, JPG, BMP, 3GP, WimberUM, MP4, ARM, AVI, FLEV, RMVB, etc. You can also use it to share them with other people freely. 6. Box. Running on Windows, OS X, iOS, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows phones. Box is at the service of backing up photos, videos, music, movies, and documents. 8. Mediafire. As a neat tool, Mediafire can be used to drag and drop photos, music, videos, and documents directly to upload them with ease.